Forgotten username recovery failed on PayPal fix. You tried to recover your PayPal username, but the recovery link keeps saying your details don't match. It's frustrating, especially when you need to access your money or verify a payment. Most people get this wrong because they miss one crucial detail during the recovery process, but the fix is simpler than you think. First, understand that PayPal doesn't technically use usernames for login. It identifies your account by your registered email address. So if you're trying to recover a username, what you really need to confirm is which email you used to sign up. Many users have multiple emails, personal, business, or even old ones, and forget which one PayPal is linked to. Start by checking your inboxes for old PayPal receipts or notifications. Whichever email received those is your login email. Once you find it, return to the PayPal login page and select having trouble logging in. Enter that exact address and follow the recovery prompts. If you no longer have access to that email, choose the Try Another Way option on the recovery screen. PayPal may let you verify your identity with your linked phone number, recent transactions, or bank details. Another thing to check is your region setting. If your PayPal account is registered in another country, logging in through the wrong regional site might cause recovery to fail. Make sure you're on the correct PayPal domain for your account's country. Finally, clear your browser cache or use an incognito tab before retrying. Cached data sometimes blocks the recovery process from sending the verification email. If you still can't regain access, contact PayPal support. Have your linked card, bank, or transaction ID ready for identity verification. The surprising truth is, most failed recoveries aren't technical errors, they're just mix-ups between old emails and regional sites. Once you pinpoint the right address, getting back into your account takes minutes.